because what I want to see is if my braid out will last as long as my braids. Good evening. Before I go to bed tonight, I wanted you to see what my Sisterlocks looks like on the second day, the end of the second day of my braid out. Good morning, good morning. This is my braid out. I've been wearing it now for 3 days. This is the third day of my braid out. And I just wanted to come and give you an update on how well my braid out is holding on. Tonight, I will show you how I maintain this braid out. I do very little to my hair, and I will show you what I do at night. But thank you, subscribers, for your support, for hanging in there with me, and just being who you are, strong supporters of my channel and a strong supporter of me. Thank you so much for all of your positive comments and just all that you do to support me and this channel. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family, where we encourage each other, uplift each other, discuss or talk about the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living, and all things Sisterlocks and Microlocs. Yes, come on and join us. Now, for the remainder of this video, what you will see is the transformation of my braid out over a week's time, because what I want to see is if my braid out will last as long as my braids. And now, my third day 360. Enjoy your day. Good evening. So this is the evening of day 3 of my braid out. I came by today to let you see how it was this morning, and now this is the evening. I will come back and show you what I do at night before going to bed. Some nights I tie this around the perimeter of my head. Tonight I'm going to take the easy way out. And I'm ready for bed. That's what I do. Have a good night. Good morning. Good morning. This is day 4 of my braid out. So I wanted you to see what I did this morning to refresh it. So this is how it looks. This needs to be, I started to say that my little wrap right here needs to be shampooed. It needs to be washed. And I will do that on Saturday. And this is what my hair looks like when I take it out. I could just do nothing to my hair and it'll drop. But what I'm going to do this morning is I'm putting some water on my hands so my hands are wet. And so, guys, this is the beginning of day 4. And now my 360. Have a great day. Alrighty. Good morning. It is day 6 of this braid out. Not only is it day 6 of this braid out, but I realized that I started my retightening, or I did my retightening at the beginning of December. And last night when I was preparing for bed, I realized I needed to retighten the front of my hair. So I've started doing that. And I need to get this section done. But I have retightened the top. That's the weakest part, I think, of my hair, and I needed to get that done. And I worked on this side to a certain point, and you can see that. So you guys, I'm starting on a second retightening. I didn't think I'd be doing this, but each time I do it, it gets easier. And I appreciate now the opportunity to retighten my hair now that I feel more confident in doing it. You can see this side looks really neat. And this side is not quite there, but it's getting there. So I'm going to start my day 6 of my braid out, and it still looks good. A braid out on freshly washed hair will serve you well. My 360. This is day 7 of this braid out, and it has served me well.